McDonald's and Pfizer, the two large international companies that are very successful in different fields, are worth of our study in every aspect. Every time when we travel to different countries or cannot think of what we should eat today, McDonald's always makes us the first choice. Not only because McDonald's has very delicious fast food, but the uniform taste and the decoration of the whole world make everyone there's no strangeness. As the world's largest pharmaceutical company, Pfizer makes great contribution to the progress of mankind and the improvement of mankind's health, with each of his medical technology and scientific research achievements. Today, we will start from the different situation of two companies, about property situation, market, strategy, and future outlook. McDonald's is a world-renowned fast food chain. As we all know, McDonald's is good at all kinds of burgers, French fries, drink, and desserts. In some area, there will be McDrive on both sides of the highway. This is a street with no counter and no seats, which is especially suitable for driver. This method is usually simplified to direct restaurant and appear in densely populated areas such as the city center. Pfizer was founded in 1849 and has history of 170 years. Headquartered in New York, Pfizer is the world's largest R&D biopharmaceutical company, and its outstanding R&D and production capability are in a leading position in the world. With the culmination of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, Pfizer is under tremendous pressure to develop a vaccine, which gives mankind more hope. Second quarter report in August 2020, McDonald's total fell 30% year-on-year, and net income fell 68% to $418 million. Under the influence of this epidemic, McDonald's suffered a heavy blow. But when the crisis broke out, they immediately took measures to avoid greater losses. For Pfizer, on January 28, the company total annual revenue was $51.75 billion, a decrease of 1% year-on-year. In second quarter of 2020, the company reported revenues fell by 11% compared to the second quarter of 2019, and its net income fell 32%. Overall, the Pfizer revenue is higher than McDonald's, but Pfizer will achieve a year-on-year growth of 7% in 2020, which is a very strong result.
The market. In terms of demand, McDonald's is not one of the few fast food restaurants in the market. Even if McDonald's products are flexible, many fast food restaurants of different brands will open stores at the same address. Pizza's concept of price elasticity of demand is of a great reference significance for whatever to increase drug price. The greater the intensity of consumer demand for a certain type of product, the same the price elasticity of demand. The competitors of McDonald's. Burger King is the most direct competitor in the fast food industry. At the end of 2018, Burger King's annual turnover exceeded US $1.65 billion. Also, Burger King has operated and franchised 17,000 restaurants in more than 100 countries and regions, providing catering service to more than 11 million consumers. Competitors of Pizza. Merck & Co. is also one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world. Merck's best-selling drug is Keytruda, which is also Pfizer's biggest competitor. There are several other largest pharmaceutical manufacturers in the market. McDonald's very popular for teenagers aged 4 to 17. McDonald's adopted a French approach, attaching franchises after long-term rental of stores, and then lease them to franchise at a higher price, and increase with the increase in realistic appropriation. The pandemic that has swept the world since 2020 has brought a great development prospect to medical companies. After Pfizer announced good news about the efficacy of new corona vaccine, it has taken lead to the vaccine competition.
McDonald's will carry out many different charitable activities in social, and will also maintain the local community. Among them, Uncle McDonald's House and McDonald's Camp Quality are charitable organizations under McDonald's. In terms of profit, McDonald's has been constantly formatting health policy and health eating guidelines. As we know, the first way to increase profit is to reduce cost. For Pfizer, the way to cut cost is use new technology to make drug cheaper. Both McDonald's and Pfizer use the new technology which called mRNA, which many provide meaningful cost advantage over traditional vaccines because the meaningful process is least. They are least capital interest and relative simple, and the dosage is used for small. The profit growth strategy will be very different because today market is very started and stable. McDonald's cannot find the better technology to reduce the cost, so it is need to develop a new marketing plan. In today's under the prevailing constitution, if McDonald's adopts an organic channel approach, then they will maybe able to raise the decrease in foot traffic in psychology stores.
As the leader of global fast food chain industry, McDonald's brought the fast food era to all parts of the world, starting from Big Macs, French fries, and Coke. It has developed into a larger and richer menu. Breakfast culture has been added to it, providing convenience for a large number of workers and students who need breakfast. McDonald's coffee also offers coffee at low prices and has become a substitute for many other chain coffee shops. On the other hand, McDonald's drive-thru service allows people to order food without getting off the car. In today's society, with the population of the concept of health eating and the rise of fast delivery service, consumers want more natural, nutritious, and customer-right products. Save time without sacrificing health and pursuit of taste. In the future, McDonald's will improve the food taste, and they will develop technology aiming to increase consumption by introducing touch screens, online ordering, table service, and wireless charging service in the restaurant, and provide convenient and personalized choice to increase consumption and improve user experience. McDonald's integrated green environmental protection and energy-saving measures, thereby increasing the frequency of visit and average consumption of each customer. All in all, according to above survey and research, McDonald's will be our final decision because according to all the data we researched, we know that McDonald's is a better choice.